Welcome back to the Astrology book. Today, we continue our journey into the amorous nature of Taurus. In this video, we'll explore how Taurus men and women connect in love with the next 6 zodiac signs: Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. But before we begin, tell us in the comments, are you in love with a Taurus? Or maybe you're trying to attract one? So let's get to the point. Taurus and Libra Taurus finds Libra a warm, romantic, vibrant partner. Libra was born to charm and titillate. Steady Taurus balances Libra's indecisiveness. Money may be a problem, for Libra doesn't share Taurus's reverential attitude toward a dollar, but both tend to be acquisitive and like to collect beautiful things. Both signs are ruled by Venus and have sensual natures, but each expresses this quality differently. In time, Libra's fickleness and casual air toward love can drive Taurus wild, and Libra will certainly resent Taurus's possessiveness. This romantic pairing may not last long. Taurus and Scorpio. These two are opposites in the zodiac, but they have more in common than other opposites. Both are determined and ambitious, and neither is much of a rover. However, there are 2 strong wills at work here. Taurus's passionate sexual nature meets more than its match in Scorpio. In fact, the sexual element in this affair borders on the obsessive. But Scorpio's overbearing, possessive, jealous natura makes Taurus simmer with resentment. This is a tempestuous affair, and neither has the tolerance to make the union last. Taurus and Sagittarius. This might work if Taurus can tie a string to Sagittarius's kite and hold on tight. They are attracted to each other physically, for Taurus's passions are ignited by Sagittarius's uninhibited lovemaking. But Taurus finds it difficult to deal with Sagittarius's roving eye and search for novelty. Sagittarius has an easy, live, and let live attitude about sex and everything else, whereas Taurus is both serious and possessive. Sagittarius refuses to stay under someone else's thumb. No dull moments, but a good deal of quarreling. An affair can be fun. Taurus and Capricorn. Capricorn is a strong match for Taurus, for they both have passions that are straightforward and uncomplicated. There won't be much romance, but plenty of healthy sex. They share the same goals and like the same kinds of friends, and both are fond of security and money. Capricorn is a bit more secretive than Taurus would like, but all the same, Capricorn's loyalty makes Taurus feel secure, and Taurus is charmed by Capricorn's unexpected sense of humor. Auguries for the long term are promising. Taurus and Capricorn is a strong match for Taurus, for they both have passions that are straightforward and uncomplicated. There won't be much romance, but plenty of healthy sex. They share the same goals and like the same kinds of friends, and both are fond of security and money. Capricorn is a bit more secretive than Taurus would like, but all the same, Capricorn's loyalty makes Taurus feel secure, and Taurus is charmed by Capricorn's unexpected sense of humor. Auguries for the long term are promising. Taurus and Pisces. Pisces may not altogether understand Taurus's materialistic approach to life, but the dependability of Taurus supplies the anchor Pisces needs to keep from drifting away into a private sea of fantasy. Hardworking Taurus sets a good example for lazy Pisces. Also, Taurus's practical, easygoing nature helps Pisces through its frequent changes of mood. In love, Taurus is devoted, and Pisces is adoring. Though Pisces can be a little fey for Taurus, they're well-suited sexually. Taurus is passionate, Pisces is sensual, and what's wrong with that? And that brings us to the end of Taurus's romantic journey with the last 6 zodiac signs. From Libra all the way to Pisces. Each pairing shows a new side of Taurus, from deep passion to soulful harmony. With this, we've completed the full circle of Taurus in love, from Aries to Pisces. But the zodiac love stories don't stop here. Tell us in the comments, which zodiac sign would you like us to explore next in love? Should we dive into the fiery passion of Aries, the dreamy romance of Pisces, or another sign close to your heart?